What up, guys? This is my bike. So, yeah, starting from the top. OEI long neck grips, black, OEI bar ends. Got Shadow Conspiracy bars, Odyssey brake lever. Tire is Maxxis, pretty nice tire. It's starting to rip though. Yeah, need a new one. I got the rim is actually Odyssey. I got G Sport spokes. Forks are Verde. Not that nice, but I manage. Stem is Animal. I'm running a gyro, as you can see. Frame is a Verde frame. I just took all the stickers off. It's alright. I mean, I'm gonna get a new frame pretty soon. I got freaking random pedals I just found. Shadow Conspiracy cranks. Odyssey sprocket. I got Animal fat seat with Odyssey seat clamp. And then the back end, I got a Maxxis tire with a Odyssey rim, G Sport spokes, and a profile hub. It's not really the best profile hub. It's kind of quiet. Saving up for a new one. And on this side, hold on. This side I got like just a random ass KMC chain. Oh yeah, and my gear ratio is 25:9. What else? I think I covered everything. Yeah. Seat Animal. Overall, an alright bike. I mean, it's kind of basic. I'm getting tons of new parts soon. So, watch out for my new edit dropping soon. See you guys.